You're such a fucking chav, mate. Fucking hell, pal. So important, boy.
Right, I'm gonna use some. Oh, fuck this.
Hey, boy.
Hey, boy.
You eating?
I'm gonna meet up to your pasty, fella.
Get in there.
Grab a man's
Oh,
job.
fuck, she's shaky. Fuck's sake. Right, so I'm trying something different on this channel now. Instead of the bike videos, we've got Fez videos. So I'm gonna be fucking clearing this out today. It's full of shit. And then I'm gonna try and figure out how to put coilovers on, because my ones are a bit fucked, so it's just actually sitting on the wheels. Tighter than a fucking nun's minge. But I got these bad boys to go on. Nice APs, the shit coilovers, but got a road trip planned, so I just had to go for it. So I'm going to be starting this new series where it's just a progress of my Fez build. I don't have a bike anymore, so not for now anyway, so the bike videos won't be any longer. But I think it'll be good if I do videos of me like making progress on this, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure most people watching can relate, but I think I'll learn as I go along. Like, well, first we scran.
You're not even recording, right? Oh.
The reason I'm putting new coilies on is because if these are the old ones, the same ones, like absolutely no rebound. Not what you want, is it, lad?
Chocolate?
Fuck off!
Oh, I was gonna pick that up.
But I've got spare springs and shit at least. They're the same coilovers, but they said new. So I'm just having a crack, cleaning all my shit out. Come on. Hey, hang that jumpsuit up somewhere. There's a hook up there, matey.
You went to
Hey.
choke it and
Hey boy, there's a hook there. See if you can get it on.
Where?
There, mate, this side.
Hang on. Oh, make sure I do the Domino's kick.
Come on.
That's where you edit that Domino's kick into the video.
Go on, round 0. I'm gonna try that again. Kobe!
Like, yo.
No, you gotta roll it into a ball, lad.
This is what we call a Domino's kick, boys.
Kobe. Mate, that didn't go anywhere near it.
Good effort though, come on.
Oh, it was terrible. Need to put these bad boys on. What do you reckon, James?
You're not actually fucking putting them on, eh? Are you joking? Oh my fucking... I've never wanted to drink bleach more.
We all love the Lexus lights.
See, I was gonna get this from a Clio, but then I decided I didn't want to be any more fucking bent. Brake shoe set. Are we doing that as well?
We're not putting shoes on today, like, that's another job.
Hey, that one looks in better nick than yours, fella.
Not even the same car, mate.
It is.
That's a Mark 4, you turkey.
Mate, fuck off. See?
Well, I got these lights for free, so I was going to smoke them and throw them on, see what it looked like, but
Well, right,
They
you
are-
paid like 50 quid for them.
they're ugly as fuck, aren't they?
Oh,
They're like
fuck.
you.
Hey. Hey. So I'm supposing that comes off like that. Have you got a screwdriver?
Mate, use your fingers, stop being a bitch.
Mate. Like that, see? Simple, I knew that. And then your jacket from, oh fuck me, this was dirty.
That's why I'm wearing these fucking hay boys.
From there, fella, I'm guessing. Is it?
Yeah, where it's all rusty.
What, here? Yeah, is that where your jacket?
Yeah.
Right, well move out the way.
It's gonna go on the side skirt though.
Have to move.
Hey, let me put something behind the rear wheels, we don't have a handbrake. The only good use for Z-Tech SL is. Go faster than that, you little bitch. Fucking head on it.
Head on fucking you, fella. Oh, do you know what? Just been silly cunts.
Why?
Didn't crack the nuts off first,
Yeah,
fella.
I've got a whizzy gun, lad, don't worry about it.
Oh, well then let's fucking keep going, Gate. Is it rubber? Is that like?
Ooh, it is rubbing me. It's obviously, it's not even that bad considering the fucking arch is sat on it.
Yeah, but were you driving it much?
Yeah, I was doing deliveries in it. Yeah. The arch is rolled though, innit, so.
Really?
What?
Not loose.
Feel it, mate. It's fucking, the lip has been rolled. Got my nice big dirty turbo. That's what the noise was when I was driving it in. I got that running through into the cabin. Running through the centre console. And then onto the fucking passenger pedal that I drill the hole through. You push that.
Oh.
And the fucking turbo goes.
Shit me, that's loud.
Right, so we found the problem, like.
Oh shit.
Hey boy.
Mate.
That's mate.
Oh fuck.
Mate, that is why it's riding rough as fucking toast. Oh, I did notice it was low as fuck on that side, like.
I wonder what the other side is like. That's fingered as well, isn't it?
Mate,
How do you fucking manage that? Like, I get.
have you driven on these Manx roads?
Mate, I get that there's potholes.
I hope there's a grub screw in there somewhere, like, as well. Fucking. Get in there.
Okay, now snap like my banjo, fella.
Yeah, this banjo snapped. That's
Twice. Twice, mate, twice.
Get in there.
Oh shit, everyone's gonna know that it snapped twice now, aren't they? This is. Oh. Hey, right, let's whip these off then. And, like, whip the condom off and you just chill inside. Now, just whip these up.
Yeah, I'm gonna lift up this side first. So they're both in there.
I thought that.
What? Stop being a bitch.
Mate, I'm not.
I'm getting that replaced as well. If I took some glass off a different headlight, and I'm gonna black out the amber. Fuck that, like.
Amber, it's orange.
Indigo,
fucking
violet,
orange.
the fucking granddad. Shut up.
Mate,
Snake.
is your turbo thing on? I wanna press it. Jack it.
There's no need for it. Other side. What the fuck, like? I've not long put these on, like, they were off, but fucking. Suppose that's APs for you, they're not the best, like. What do you think, lad?
Buy a Mazda.
Buy a Mazda. Look at the state of it.
Hey.
Hey, I'll show you what we did, what I did to it. He didn't want me to, but I did it anyway, and then he likes it now. Just chained a little jack plate on it. Swings in the wind, lad. Right, so we're gonna get these coilies on now, or at least like try and figure out how to do it. I mean, I know that just comes off your drop link and just whatever else, all this shit. But I'm probably gonna have to go B&Q and buy some more tools because all mine got stolen out of here. So I've got that fucking like nothing. Hey, don't be like that, lad.
Hey.
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 Hey. Mine.
Mine.
Come with motor, so.
Mate.
If anyone has these wheels in 15s, I'll swap you. Because mine are rare, because they're 16s. So, they're better value, mate.
Why do you want to get rid of them?
Because they're too fucking big. You see what they've done to my coilovers?
Mate, that's just your fucking shocking driving. Right, let's whip these fucking things out.
I'm gonna cut that out and get Brandon to help me and just get some big dirty arches on there.
What, like that?
Yeah, exactly like yours. But Brandon did that, not you. Little fucking pussy. We're off to buy some ratchets. I've left. Oh fuck!
Show the floor, dude.
Fucking MX5s. Look. I've left my ratchet and socket at my dad's workshop, so I'm going over to get it now, and then we're gonna go for a cheeky trip to B&Q
And Motor World.
and Motor World. Right, fuck the seat.
Mate, it works, fella. Just
Mate, it's not even bolted in. Like, look at it. Fucking.
mate, just yeah, but
Shit turkey.
look at it. It stays in.
Fucking bolted, like. And I think I'm gonna go for this one. It's 90 quid. It's got 94 pieces. There's one down here. 70 quid. It has 108 pieces, but I think it's a bit smaller. It's not got as good as build. Like, that's good quality. Not letting anyone else use it though. It's staying in my car, like, oh, I've broke it. I gotta buy it now.
Cheaper that. If
Not
you
cheap.
break it.
What?
If you break it, you
Fiver off, like.
Get that pin number in there. That's it.
4561. Meow. Have a good evening. Oh, that gave me some leggy. Need some impact sockets for the gun. So I want to enjoy my little sandwich. My little toolbox coming in well. Getting some assistance on it, like it's a cunt of a job. Getting the pros on it. The arms. Oh fuck. Right, so my mate helped me then get the old coilover out, so you can see how fucked that is. It's supposed to be the same coilover. Just gotta get that one out now. It's nice and fucked. Just like him. Ooh.
Oh, for YouTube, I think. If it's not matching a tool, which might be a bit more of an issue, we'll have to Tim's car. You need to calm down. You want to calm down, pal?
Have a Snickers, mate.
You want to calm down.
You're not
pal.
you when you're hungry. You're turning to James as well.
Hey. Keith is going absolutely fucking hell.
Fucking hell. She's getting sent. She'll spray some WD on the cunt.
Yeah, that might be an idea.
Whee!
Get on the base, son.
I owe you a pint for this. Not right now, like I'm skint, but you know. That is what you want with your fucking gravy. Fucking shocking, literally. Nice new drive shaft, so. Green brakes make me go fast as fuck as well. Just gotta set the height of this little cocksucker. Slack. Literally not even done any work. Neither of them. Neither of them. Right, so I've been fucking around all day. We all have. Buying new tools and shit. Just got the coilovers on now. Bear in mind this day started at like 1 o'clock. It's now like 9:30. Just gonna whiz these on. Fucking make sure these are the right size. Yeah. Well. Cheeky dugger-duggers. We've got the rears getting sent now. I just took that out. Big James up there is getting in there like.
Hey, boy. Did you get that? Did you get that on record, mate?
No mate, I didn't, sorry.
You joking?
Oh, fucking hell, there she goes. Ready? Nope, hang on.
That's coming off, so whether you're ready or not, like.
Sam.
Right, there you go.
Yay!
So,
Yeah, aye.
spot on.
Why, aye, man?
Right, let's get this coil in.
You need to take the nut off your teeth.
Yeah, mate, I am a little bit cautious.
Stop being a pussy, like.
Right. So, hey boy. Hey, move your head a little bit so we can. Hey boy.
Hey.
Good evening.
Good evening. Oh fuck. Right. Where's that?
I'll have to get a jack under this.
Keep it like that. Right.
You're getting the grappling.
Alright, there we go, fella. Hang on.
That's pretty solid.
Push it up. Up, there you go. Up, keep it there. Right, you can let it go down a bit now. Right, hang on. That's really soft.
Happy say, Kevin.
Right, so we've got it in now, but we're gonna need, because there's still so much play in it, we're gonna need a swan neck spanner, because you can get in it on there. We were doing that there, and having the little 10mm on top, because there's a little pin there as well on the top that you hold with the 10mm, but it's a bit of a ball ache, so we're just gonna get a set of spanners tomorrow and fucking send it. Throw a coilover on. It's so much easier doing the rears than the front. For now, I'm just gonna chuck my shock in the spare parts corner. We've basically got about 3 whole cars back here.